Protect your home, business, property, valuables, employees, and loved ones by increasing access control using the C-500 door entry controller. Hey folks, I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. We manufacture high quality security and communications products in Hudson, Wisconsin. And through this channel, we share product information, tech knowledge, and keep you up to date with industry trends. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for all of our video releases. The C-500 door entry controller is an access control device capable of standalone operation, integrating with FXS and FXO ports or analog phone service. The C-500 interfaces entry phones with existing telephone infrastructure and provides relay activation for 2 separate entry points. So if you've got a C-500 installed in your establishment, I come to the door as a visitor, I can press a call button on an associated door phone, which will trigger the C-500 to ring the phones inside. If there's no answer or you have call forwarding set up, the C-500 can grab an outbound line or call through a PBX to an outbound line and dial up to 5 numbers in a rollover sequence until the call is answered. Once the call is answered, you'll have the opportunity to talk to me with two-way voice communication and then enter a touch-tone command on your phone's keypad to trigger the C-500 to allow me access into the building. The C-500 has 2 trigger inputs for request to exit or for a postal lock input. These trigger inputs allow for the doors to be opened from a remote relay contact. Conversely, there's a dip switch setting on the C-500 which allows these trigger inputs to be used for a lighted doorbell or to initiate automatic call forwarding based on time of day when the C-500 is paired with a CTG-1A or a CTG-2A. The last output on the C-500 is used to trigger Viking models SLP-1 or SLP-4 to provide unique door entry phone triggered doorbell tones over paging. The C-500 provides a myriad of programming options to customize for just about any application you can imagine. I do want to call out a couple of programmable features here, but there are far too many for me to mention and go into detail on this video. So be sure to check out the description section down below where the product manual is linked and you can read more on the C-500 for yourself. The first feature I'll make mention of, I did mention earlier, the C-500 has a built-in 5-number auto dialer. This can be used to call a cell phone, a off-premise extension. It can be used to dial VoIP or analog phones. It can even call a pager. When the C-500 is triggered, it will dial the first number in that sequence and it will roll through numbers 2 through 5 until the lap counter is satisfied or the call is answered. The second feature I want to mention is keyless entry codes. Now, per channel, the C-500 is good for 2 doors. It has 2 channels. Per channel, the C-500 will remember 6 general keyless entry codes for use with a door entry phone with a keypad. For, walk up to the door, you can do pound, 1, 2, 3, 4 right at the door, and that will unlock it. It will remember 2 one-time use entry codes per channel. Maybe you've got a vendor that's going to be on site for that day or just needs access to the property for a moment, like a lawnmower company. It also remembers 1 toggle entry code per channel to activate and latch that relay. The C-500 will remember these codes uniquely per channel. So if you have a keypad at both doors, you can have different codes at each door. And that brings me to the last feature I want to call out. The C-500 is a 2-channel entry controller, but it can be used in applications where you have more than 2 doors. You can daisy chain up to 4 C-500s together to control up to 8 doors. And the C-500 has intelligent relay control. So if we're talking and you want to let me in, you can press **, and it doesn't matter if I'm at door number 1 or door number 8. Whatever door entry phone is active, the C-500 will trigger the relay for that door. Question of the day. I want to know, are you currently using access control for your home or your business or somewhere else in your life? If you are, let me know. Just type yes down in the comment section below. And if you're feeling really bold, tell us a little bit about your setup in the comment as well. Quick reminder to check the description section for relevant links and Viking Electronics contact information. If protecting what is valuable is something you would like to learn more about, Definitely check out one of these videos on screen now for more education. Like the video if you did, and be sure to subscribe to Viking Electronics channel. Thank you to all of our current subscribers. We definitely appreciate you tuning in. I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. See you next time.